Step into your new home at the Suites at Third, a handsome student habitat offering unbeatable luxury and campus proximity in the lively heart of Champaign. Every lavish 2 to 4 bedroom apartment features plush beds, sleek study spaces, in-unit laundry for easy wash days, and stainless steel appliances in expertly equipped kitchens, all in one suite package. Warp speed internet comes included in your rent, so connectivity is sorted. Smash your fitness goals in the gym, then get focused in the Academic Success Centre with smart iMacs. Refresh with a game of billiards, unwind with educational, social and recreational activities, or lounge in the courtyard under blue skies. With individual liability leases, roommate matching, reliable staff support, and dedicated parking available, living here is a breeze. Also, the University of Illinois Urbana is a short stroll away, and Parkland College is only minutes by car. Even transit is seamless, with buses at Green and First or First and Daniel, plus the nearby Champaign-Urbana train station. The perfect student stay won't wait forever. Secure your home in the Suites at Third Champaign on amberstudent.com today.